Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. It's Valentine's Day. It's that season right now. Nayar is my husband, if some of you guys didn't know, but we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day. We've always thought of it as a very corny holiday. No offense to anybody that celebrates Valentine's Day, but we just always thought it was a very corny holiday, so we never really do it, and everything's crowded. It's just like so crazy out in LA and LA traffic and Valentine's Day. I know it sounds like because I live in LA, I like don't live life, but I really do. It's just everything needs to be a little bit more planned out in LA, and Valentine's Day is never worth it. And did you guys know a lot of restaurants have like their own menu that they create, and it's like your favorites aren't even on the dish on it, and I'm just like, why are we even living if we're not gonna have our favorites? But with this year, we're actually going to do something for Valentine's Day, something small. We're just going to go watch the 50 Shades of Grey movie. Nair doesn't know yet. I'm just going to make him take me. But anyways, I wanted to do a anti-Valentine's Day a makeup tutorial today. I saw these videos everywhere on Instagram and everywhere last year. I just thought they were so fun to do because, you know, not everyone got a boo. It's like, why not? Why not bring the darkness into the world? Anyways, I'm going to do all the colors that I can think of that I feel like are not Valentine's-y and put those colors onto my face and continue with my day. Y'all know I love to glam, so I'm here for the glam. If you want to know how to get an anti-Valentine's Day look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start out with my Viseart palette right here, and I'm going to take this neutral brown color and just whiff that all into, well, blend that all into my crease. I'm going to have this be a wash of color all over my entire crease. Next, using the same palette, I'm just going to go ahead and take that navy blue matte color. This whole palette is matte, so I'm just taking the matte color, and I'm using a MAC 217 brush, and I'm just whiffing that color. Why do I keep seeing whiffing? I'm basically blending the color throughout my entire crease, as you can see, making sure to make everything nice and smoky. And now you can see I switched out the brush, and now I have a MAC 224 brush. This is more fluffier, and it gives a much more blended effect. It's a clean brush. I'm just getting every line out of the way. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going in with this Electropop by KEVYN AUCOIN. It's basically all metallics, shadows, and they are so pigmented and so beautiful. I'm just taking that teal color in the palette, and I'm using a pencil brush because I feel like the pencil brush is more of a finger-like consistency, and I'm just using that brush and putting all of the pigment onto my lids. You can also use your fingers if you want to with this product. I think the fingers would work, but since I have nails, it's a little bit harder for me to use my fingers, but you can always use your fingers. And right here, I'm just using a 217 brush and just blending out any of the harsh lines. Now moving on to complexion, I'm going to go ahead and start off with using this Master Camo dark correcting pen. And I'm just going and doing all my little sunspots, anywhere where I have a little bit of discoloration. And I'm just, you know, putting that product on those areas. You know, it's time to do the Beauty Blender usage. Everyone uses the Beauty Blender. Mine is a knockoff Miracle Complexion Blender, just to be right. I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all that red, make it nice and thin so the foundation goes on flawlessly. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put on my favorite foundation, which is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. I love this foundation. It's so pretty. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all over. Less is more, you guys. I went a little too ham. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a foundation brush and just smooth everything out. Look at how smooth my skin looks. But you guys, all of the details for all the products that I am using, they're all down below in the description box. There's also links there for if anything you want, you can purchase from Sephora or Ulta, whatever your heart desires. Now I am just doing concealer, and then I'm going to blend that concealer out because you want to look fresh and bright and cute. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and fill my under eyes, put on some color. I'm just taking that matte navy color and popping it underneath my eyes. And then I'm also going to bring some light to my eyes because it's very dark. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on a very shimmery light color into the inner corners and open up my eyes. This is my favorite step in my makeup. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this L'Oreal True Match. It's a powder and it's in the darkest shade. I think it's like coconut or something. And I'm just going to dab on it a contour. That's a tip. Dab on the contour and don't wish it on. It'll go on smoother. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on some highlighter. This is the MAC Oh Darling. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Looks so good on me. Finishing it off with a lipstick, and this is a Dose of Colors in Savage. And this is so bomb and so pretty. And I also added some lashes just for the sexy, sultry look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's very vampy. I mean, an anti-Valentine's haul, you would think very vampy, vampire-ish. I made sure to keep it kind of glowy too. So, you know me, I will always wear extra glow. That's just my style. I'm loving these eyes paired with this lip. It's just so beautiful. Super slay your way through the day. So what if you're single? So what if you got a man that ain't really giving you roses? I got one of those too. Nayar never gives me flowers on Valentine's Day. I say I don't want flowers, but then like I low-key want flowers. So like I'm just gonna wear this look for him. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share as well. Comment what you liked about this makeup look. Comment what you want me to do next time. Like this because I upload videos just for that. And also I'm on Instagram and Snapchat. Those are all GLAMBYRUNA. My Twitter is a link down below as well of all the information for this look as well, links and everything. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!